So right now we have started the MSF console, and we will now allow beef to connect to this, okay, basically by this message RPC remote program call process call service. Okay, so then we start the beef, okay. Okay, now we can go to the control panel of beef. Okay, I think yes, it is now my beef. Okay, we already have a hook browser. Why? Because Metasploitable 3 we have already the browser who has logged into the DBWA, and it is it's selected the XSS store, okay, where we have our intrusion script, okay. Then let me select all the code of this web page, and now I will tell you why, okay. Good. Okay, so let's go to Kali. Okay, in Kali we will we know because beef tells us that this browser is Firefox 23, okay, and we know this Firefox is vulnerable to exploit which is called the WebIDL, okay, WebIDL injection, okay. So we will use this module, exploit multi-browser Firefox WebIDL injection. Okay. He warned me, hey, configure the payload, or I will use a very generic one. Yes, I can do that. Set the payload to be Firefox. Yes, shell reverse. Okay, let me see the options. Yeah, so you see that the server host is set to 0. Okay, we will set the server host to serve host to the Kali address, okay, because since Kali has several interfaces, I only wanted to use this. The port will be 8080, the URI path will invent, this is completely random, okay, and the content is content to display inside the HTML body. So when the client connects to the 8080 port, it will be served a page with a script, the script with exploit, but nothing will be displayed in the page. So the module offers us to provide some content so that the user, the victim, can see this content. Yes, we will do that. So let me provide the web page the user is actually watching, okay, and I will provide this as the content option. The only problem is that I have to do some minimal changes on it. Okay, so first of all, this is a web page, but I only want some content. Okay, so yeah, so I want to remove these tags. Okay, the other way around. Yes, okay, so now we are almost prepared. We have to remove also this and this. Okay, and now yes, look at the references. Okay, these references, they are not suited for the web page because we have not this content in the Metasploit framework server. So we will basically remove them, okay, and replace them by the normal HTTP address of our server. Okay, so let me just substitute all them. Yes, we have to escape some things here. Yeah, and then 49, okay, and then dbwa. Okay, and I want to do this substitution in all the lines and globally. Okay, so we're almost done. The only thing is that we want to do this in a single line, okay? Okay, so how can we do this? Basically joining all the lines in a single huge line. Vim allows us to do this with the capital J. Okay, should be almost there. Okay, there's the hook itself. Okay. Okay, okay. In fact, okay. Okay, in fact, we can in fact remove this, okay, if you want, and try another script so that the script loads the hook when there is nothing after the browser has been engaged. Okay, well, let's try it as it is now. Okay, yeah, okay, okay, cut page. Okay, we copy the whole line. Okay, we copy the whole line. Yeah, okay, for the content here. Okay, and yeah, here in the meantime we will see, yeah, we are going to use this redirect browser. Okay, but instead of redirecting the browser to this URL, we will redirect the victim to the URL of the server set up by MSF. So come on. Our exploit is, our hook is there. Okay, almost in the bottom of the line. Okay. Come on. So we're only doing this to hide the attack, to conceal the attack. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Okay. So if we see the options, yeah, so that huge here that doesn't fit into the web page is a huge line with all the content. So let me review. Everything seems okay. Yes. Okay. So you run in the background. Okay. Up. There's something wrong here. Why? Let me. Okay, and run again. Okay, who is using this? Nobody is using this. Hey, perhaps 4040. No. Okay, let me review the options because there's something very wrong here. Yes, set server host to 10.03.66. Sorry, my fault. Yeah. Okay, so this is the URL we want to redirect the browser. Okay, we basically execute this. Yeah, and here, yeah, you see that the web page looks pretty like the same, but okay, there's something wrong here. That is the attack. Okay, this is the URL of the server in MSF. Okay, it redirected to load this. Okay, if we take a look at the source code, yes, here we see this, all this part is the attack. Okay, and this is our huge line. Okay, this one here. Okay, the important point is that, okay, yes, if we go to here, we have our shell session, and we can again redirect to dbwa. Yes, and execute. Come on, come on. Yeah, we have the hook, but we're not being redirected. Okay, I did not send the redirection to the right browser. Okay, so yes, redirect the browser to 10.03.49 dbwa, execute. Okay, and then yes, this is normal. Okay, I forgot to add this part. So probably we have missed the browser. Okay, yeah, we missed the browser because I did not redirect to the web page, but in any case you see the attack.